What a terrible storm. I should get home quickly.
Wait, what was that sound? Is there someone in that box?
Hello? Is anyone there? Don't be afraid.
Oh my goodness! A little puppy. You are all wet and cold.
It's okay, little one. I'm not going to hurt you. Where is your home? Here, this scarf will keep you warm. You are so small. Let's go to my house. We need to dry your fur and find you some food.
Here we are. Welcome to your new home, little one. There you go. Nice and dry. Does that feel better?
You must be starving. Let's find you something to eat.
Slow down. Eat slowly. You were very hungry, weren't you?
No collar, no ID tag. Who could have left you all alone?
Don't worry. We'll find your owners tomorrow.
Good morning, sleepyhead. Did you sleep well? Okay, let's get you ready. We need to find out where you belong. Look at all these people.
Don't worry, I've got you.
Here we are. Don't be nervous. They're very nice here. Barney, be quiet. Don't look at the cat like that. Be a gentleman.
Sophia? Dr. Green is ready to see you and your little friend.
Hello, and who is this brave patient? He looks very energetic.
I found him in a box last night during the rain. He has no collar.
He is a friendly one. He seems healthy, but he is a bit underweight.
Let's check for a microchip. If he has one, we can find his owners immediately.
I am sorry, Sophia. There is no microchip. It is impossible to find the owner this way.
That's a pity, but someone must be looking for him. He is such a good boy.
Give him these vitamins. I advise some posters and post them in the park.
A red collar will look great on you. Now everyone will see you are not a stray dog.
I will write found puppy, very friendly, golden fur. I hope his family sees this.
Perfect. These posters are very bright. People will definitely notice them.
I will put one poster near the playground and another one near the cafe.
Excuse me, dear. Did you find this puppy near the central station? He looks familiar.
Yes, I found him in a box near the station. Do you know who owned him?
I'm not sure, but I saw a little girl crying there yesterday. She was looking for someone.
Thank you so much. We will go to the central station right now. Let's go, Barty. It is so crowded here. How can we find one little girl in this big city?
Excuse me, sir. Did you see a little girl looking for a dog here yesterday?
Yes. A girl in a pink coat was here this morning. She was crying and calling for Buddy.
Buddy? Is your real name Buddy? Look, Barney, do you see her? Excuse me. Are you looking for a friend? Is this your puppy?
Buddy! Oh my God, Buddy! Is it really you? You found my best friend! Thank you! Thank you so much!
I am so happy you are together again. I found him in a box during the storm.
Oh, Buddy, I missed you so much. I thought I lost you forever.
Emily, did you find him? Oh, thank heavens. We were so worried. Thank you so much for bringing him back. My daughter hasn't stopped crying since yesterday.
He was very brave. I found him hiding from the rain in a cardboard box near the station.
A loud thunder scared him, and he ran away. I couldn't catch him because of the crowd.
Oh no, please, I don't need a reward. Seeing Buddy happy is the best gift for me.
Then please take my drawing. It's a thank you card from me and Buddy.
Goodbye, Buddy. Be a good boy. I will see you soon, Emily.
The park feels different now. It's so quiet without Buddy's barking.
I'm glad he's not in a cold box anymore. He is sleeping in a warm bed tonight. I'm home. Oh, I forgot. Nobody is waiting for me here. I should wash this bowl. The kitchen looks so empty without it. It still smells like a wet puppy. What a crazy 24 hours it's been. Emily is a talented little artist. Buddy looks very happy in this picture. There, now I can see your happy face every morning, Buddy.
He was so small and brave. Doing the right thing makes me happy, but I feel a bit lonely. Maybe my flat is too big for only one person? Maybe I need a permanent friend.
I'm going to search for something. Let's see what local animal shelters have.
Okay, Sophia, stay calm. You are just here to look, maybe.
Hello, are you here to adopt or to volunteer today?
Hello, I saw Pepper on your website. Is he still here?
Yes, here is.
Hi, Pepper. It's me, Sophia. I'm not here to scare you.
I have a very comfortable yellow towel at home, and I know where to get the best chicken. I think we are going to be great friends. Would you like to come home with me? This is official now. Pepper, you are officially part of my life.
First stop, the pet shop. We need to buy a real bed for you, not just a towel. Look at all these options. Blue bed, green bed, or maybe this fluffy gray one?
Did that scare you? I think you will like this toy. It's very funny.
Welcome home, Pepper. This is your kingdom now. Explore everything.
I see you like it. It matches the color of your fur perfectly.
I wanted to help Buddy find his home, but I think I found a new home for my heart, too. Hi, Emily. Look, I have a surprise for you and Buddy.
Life is full of surprises. One rainy day changed everything.
Are you ready for our first long walk, Pepper? Let's explore the whole park. It's so much more fun to exercise when you have a friend.
Helping others always brings happiness back to you. Have you ever helped an animal in need?
Thank you for watching my story. Don't forget to practice your English every day. Goodbye!